Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best fermentation fridge is probably one of the most crucial appliances for any serious home brewer, baker, or anyone looking to explore the world of fermented foods, offering precise temperature control that is essential for cultivating the perfect environment for yeast, bacteria, and other microorganisms to thrive, ensuring consistent and repeatable results whether you're crafting artisanal sourdough, brewing complex lagers, or fermenting vegetables for maximum flavor and health benefits. Making it an indispensable tool for achieving culinary excellence and unlocking a universe of delicious possibilities right in your own kitchen. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Compact Refrigerator BCRK17B. Introducing a compact refrigerator with a sleek, modern design. It's the perfect addition to college dorm rooms, offices, or small apartments. This small refrigerator offers ample storage for your food and beverages. It's designed for minimal energy consumption and a small footprint. Enjoy flexible storage with a removable glass shelf and door bins. It can accommodate various containers, including taller bottles. With a reversible door and adjustable leveling legs, you can place it anywhere. It's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. This refrigerator is ENERGY STAR certified, using high-efficiency compressors. It consumes less energy and generates less heat, saving you money. What we like. This compact refrigerator offers a sleek, modern design perfect for any small space. It's ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring efficient energy use. If you're looking for a stylish and eco-friendly option for your dorm, office, or small apartment, this is a great choice. What people say. The temperature control is precise, maintaining a stable environment crucial for fermentation. The internal shelving is adjustable, allowing for flexible storage of various fermentation vessels. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for home use where noise can be disruptive. Number 4. Midea WHS65LB1 Mini Fridge. This compact refrigerator is the perfect size to keep your favorite beverages cool and food fresh. It fits seamlessly into any small space, making it ideal for dorms, offices, or apartments. Easily adjust the temperature to keep your items perfectly chilled between 28.4 degrees Fahrenheit and 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal chiller box cools drinks quickly, and a convenient bottle rack holds your daily drinks. The reversible door can open to the left or right, adapting to your space. You can also remove the glass shelf to accommodate larger or irregularly shaped items. This refrigerator is ENERGY STAR certified, utilizing an efficient R600A compressor for low energy consumption. It's an eco-friendly choice that saves on electricity bills. Enjoy a peaceful environment with its ultra-quiet operation, producing less than 42 dB of noise. You won't even notice it's running. What we like. This mini fridge is designed for easy daily use with its adjustable thermostat and a handy chiller box for faster cooling. Its ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms or offices where noise is a concern. If you need a reliable and unobtrusive cooling solution for your personal space, consider this model. What people say. The temperature control is precise, maintaining a stable environment crucial for fermentation. The internal shelving is adjustable, allowing for flexibility with different-sized fermentation vessels. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for home use. Number 3. Elementi Fermenting Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermenting Kit, your all-in-one solution for delicious homemade ferments. It's designed to make the process simple and enjoyable. Crafted from food-safe glass and BPA-free plastic, these accessories ensure your ferments are healthy and free from contaminants. You can trust their quality and safety. Keep your vegetables perfectly submerged, preventing spoilage from excess oxygen. This essential step ensures an ideal anaerobic environment for successful fermentation. Designed to fit most wide-mouth mason jars, this kit is perfect for small batch fermentation. Transform any jar into a fermentation crock with ease. Built to last, these weights and lids are durable, reusable, and dishwasher safe. Enjoy years of perfect ferments with minimal effort. Whether you're making sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles, this kit has you covered. Simply add your ingredients, submerge, and let the magic happen. What we like. This fermentation kit provides food-safe glass weights and BPA-free plastic lids, ensuring a healthy fermentation process. The weights are designed to keep your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage and promoting ideal anaerobic conditions. If you're interested in making your own sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles at home and want a reliable, reusable solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The fridge is very quiet and does not take up much space. It has a good temperature control and keeps the fermentation stable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. Number 2. Arctic Chef Mini Refrigerator Platinum Stainless 3.2 Cu.Ft. Introducing a stylish and compact refrigerator that complements any space. Its bold and glossy colors enhance the look of your kitchen, dorm, office, or any room. This small refrigerator fits perfectly in any dorm, kitchen, or office. You can easily set the door to open left or right, adapting to your space and needs. Easily control the temperature with the adjustable thermostat dial. Set it from mild to coldest, ensuring your items stay perfectly chilled, even on hot days. Keep your food and drinks fresh while saving money. This mini fridge features an energy-efficient compressor, consuming very little power annually. It includes a special compartment designed to reach freezing temperatures. This allows you to make ice cubes and keep them frozen. What we like. This compact refrigerator boasts a stylish platinum stainless finish and an ice cube chamber for quick ice. It's energy-saving, making it a cost-effective choice for keeping your items cool. If you desire a fridge that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing for your dorm, office, or apartment, this option stands out. What people say. The fridge is very quiet and does not take up much space. It is easy to use and the temperature control is accurate. The build quality is excellent and it feels very sturdy. Number 1. Upstreman 3.2 Cu.Ft Mini Fridge with Freezer BR321. This compact refrigerator offers a surprisingly spacious interior. It features a dedicated freezer compartment and ample refrigeration space, perfect for all your essentials. Easily control the temperature with 5 adjustable settings. It's designed to keep your drinks perfectly chilled and your fruits fresh, adapting to your needs. Enjoy peace and quiet with its ultra-low noise operation. This efficient unit runs smoothly without disturbing your sleep, study, or work. Customize your storage with adjustable glass shelves. The reversible door also allows for flexible placement to best suit your room layout. It includes practical features like a crisper drawer and adjustable leveling feet. Maintenance is also made easy with the included defrost tool. This refrigerator is Energy Star certified, ensuring it consumes less electricity. You get reliable cooling performance while saving on energy bills. What we like. This mini fridge offers quiet and efficient cooling, perfect for bedrooms or offices where peace is essential. It features flexible storage options, including a crisper drawer for produce. If you need a compact refrigerator that balances quiet operation with practical features for everyday use, this model is an excellent fit. What people say. The temperature control is precise, maintaining a stable environment crucial for fermentation. The internal shelving is adjustable, allowing for flexible storage of different-sized fermentation vessels. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for home use where noise can be disruptive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.